Ayubowan, I'm Dr. Samadhi Rajpaksha, Chairman, National Authority on Tobacco and Alcohol. In our National Authority on Tobacco and Alcohol Act, Act number 27 of 2006, now we can see this act is almost 15 years old now, and it is high time to amend the act because we all know the science and the evidences has been changed over the years. So especially in regards to tobacco and alcohol, there are so many new scientific evidences. So we thought, the board of directors of NATA, we thought to amend this NATA Act accordingly. So in 2022, next year, our main target is amending this NATA Act. So for example, in our NATA Act section 31, it says a person shall not sell, offer for sale, or permit or promote the sale of any tobacco product or alcohol product to any person under 21 years of age. So this section we are going to amend. So we are going to remove this under 21 years of age, and we will add under 24 years of age. So that means in Sri Lanka, after the amendment of this act, so anyone under 24 years of age is not allowed not to sell or offer for sale or permit or promote the sale of any tobacco or alcohol product to any person. Why this 24, number 24 came? Because as you all know, as per WHO definition, the youth is in between 10 to 24. This 24 number is really important because if you take the scientific evidences, if you ask neurologists or other specialists, they all will agree with me. The age 24 is very significant in terms of the brain development. We all know the human brain development, like almost 80% will develop between the up to 5 years old, 5 years. But after that, there's a very important point, the decision making part of the brain, that is the responsible part is frontal lobe. So that development, it will end up at the age of 24. So decision making is really important in terms with tobacco and alcohol industry, because so that is the age a person will clearly understand the pros and cons, or the positive and the negative side of this industry, means tobacco and alcohol. So then only the person can decide whether I'm okay to take this or not, to refuse it. So it is a very clear evidence that we must give a person a chance to decide on that. That decision making age is age 24. So if we can do this amendment, and if we can get it passed through the Cabinet of Ministers and get it passed through the Parliament of Sri Lanka, then Sri Lanka will be the #1 country where the legal age of age for tobacco and alcohol consumption, or offer for sale or permit or promote the sale of any tobacco and alcohol product, Sri Lanka will be the first country to increase that age up to 24. So it is really an important thing. Apart from this amendment, we are going to do several more amendments, like now up to today our act says it is only enclosed play areas, enclosed public play areas prohibited for tobacco and alcohol consumption. So now we are going to change that. Not enclosed areas, we are going to put the all public play areas, all public areas. The other thing that we are going to do is, so as you all know, we have 4 authorized officers. We are going to include medical officer of health and MOHs and the custom officers as our authorized officers. So like that, there are many changes, amendments will add to National Authority and Tobacco, the National Authority on Tobacco and Alcohol Act number 27. Thank you.